You've had kofta before, but have you ever tried fish kofta? These are soft, flavorful fish balls cooked in a rich, comforting curry, and the taste is honestly something different. Let's make it. For this recipe, I'm using 500 grams of boneless fish fillet. Make sure there are no bones. Now I'm setting up my chopper. First, add 4 green chilies. Then 1 onion, roughly chopped. And about 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaves. Now, chop everything together. Once that's done, add the fish into the chopper. Now we add the spices. 1.5 teaspoons coriander powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Half teaspoon salt, or adjust to your taste. And half teaspoon garam masala. Now blend everything until it forms a smooth mixture. Now comes an important step for binding. In a frying pan, add 2 tablespoons of gram flour, also called besan. Roast it on low heat until it becomes fragrant and slightly darker in color. Then, add this roasted gram flour into the fish mixture. Also add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Blend everything again until the mixture comes together. At this stage, you can also add 1 egg for extra binding. This is optional. Now, transfer the mixture to a plate. Take another tray and lightly grease it with oil. Also, grease your hands with oil or water. Now shape the koftas. Make equal-sized balls and place them on the tray. The mixture will be soft, so handle it gently. Now, heat 1 cup of oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add the koftas one by one. Do not overcrowd the pan. Fry them on medium heat until they turn golden brown. Once they get a nice golden color, remove them from the oil. Fry the rest in batches the same way. At this stage, you can also let them cool completely and freeze them in a Ziploc bag. Later, you can make the curry and add them directly. Now let's prepare the curry. In the same oil, add 1 large onion paste. Cook it until the moisture evaporates and it starts turning slightly golden. Now add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Cook it for about 1 minute. Add a small splash of water so it does not burn. Now add the spices. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Salt according to your taste. Mix and cook for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now add the tomato mixture. Blend 1 large tomato with 2 to 3 green chilies and add it in. Mix everything well. Cook this on low heat until the oil separates and the mixture thickens. Now add more spices. 1.5 teaspoons coriander powder. Half teaspoon garam masala. Mix everything well. These are the same spices used in the kofta mixture. So, The flavor stays consistent. Now cover and cook on low heat for 7 to 8 minutes. Once the masala is fully cooked and looks thick and rich, we move on. Now for an optional step. Take a small pinch of garam seeds, rub them between your hands, and add them in. This adds a really nice aroma. Now add the fried koftas into the curry. Gently mix so the masala coats them well. Add water depending on how much gravy you want. Cook this on medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes. The extra water will reduce and you'll get the perfect gravy consistency. Now finish with dried fenugreek leaves. Crush them in your hands and add them in. The aroma at this stage is amazing. Turn off the heat and let it rest for 5 minutes. Garnish with fresh chopped green chilies and coriander leaves. Your fish kofta curry is ready. The koftas are very soft and you'll feel it in the first bite. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy cooking.